Woo! Sailfish. All right. Yeah, it's a sailfish. There you go. Keep the pressure on him. There you go. There you go. Beautiful beautiful sailfish. Un photo? Okay, put the rod down. Put it in free spool. Put the rod down. Okay, take a picture. Huh? One while. Get you the picture first, and then I'll get one. Take my one step. Put him in the boat real quick. Okay. There he goes. There you go, we're hooked up. We got a little sailfish going. We've been trolling for a little bit. And we're relaxing up there on top, and one of the flat lines, the trolling lines, got hit. The fish didn't stick on it, but it got our attention. The fish was behind the boat. So what we did was go ahead and drop back a bait. The deckhand dropped the bait back on this outfit. He just dropped it back, and fish ate it. It's a nice little sailfish. This is a perfect outfit, 30-pound test line, fight this kind of fish. Just take my time. Nice deep water here. You don't have to worry about fish cutting you off on anything. I mean, there's hardly any boats around, so it's really beautiful. This is why people come to the Baha. You get to do fishing like this, experience this type of fish. Look how clear that water is, Joe. Here he comes. Yeah. Here he comes again. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Yeah. All right. Here we go. We're gonna bring him in real quick. Get the hook out of him. You see the house? There he goes.